Let's say you have USDT on your wallet, like a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask, and you want to convert it to your local currency using bybit. The reason why I'm using bybit is because bybit is widely accepted beside Binance. Binance may have some restriction in some areas, but bybit is widely accepted. So in this case, I'm going to use Phantom wallet as a case study. This is how you can begin.
So first of all, let's log on to our Phantom wallet right here. I have to log in. You can see I have some good amount of monkey coin right there.
One thing you have to do before you continue with this video right now is to like this video, subscribe to this channel right now, and let's just dive right in.
So you could, you know, try getting some for yourself. It's good. So now let's click on USDT because that's what we want to send out, and then we'll click on send. Now the next thing we want to do is we'll go to our bybit wallet. If you don't have a bybit wallet, bybit account, I'm going to drop a link in the description, so you click to register a bybit account for yourself. Okay, then let's click on wallet asset. Okay, click on deposit, click on deposit crypto USDT. Now make sure you select the network as Solana because I'm sending USD on Solana network from Phantom wallet. So copy the address, make sure you copy it twice, note the last two digits of the address so that you can verify. Some of you all have bug on your phone, or in case you have a bug on your phone, malware rather. So now I'm going to paste that address that I copied, paste it right there, then I click next. Now ensure that I confirm that this last three digit of the address matches the one that I copied. All right, so now I'll proceed by entering the amount. So in this case I'm going to hit maximum, then I click next and send. This is one of the most beautiful sites when sending a crypto, and then it shows sent. Now the next thing we want to do is to go to our bybit account and await it. So here we go. Now the USDT that we sent to our bybit has successfully arrived in the bybit account. So now want to convert it to our local currency. So to do that, click on deposit again. This time around, click on p2p trading, and the next thing you want to do is you acknowledge this, click on sell, and ensure that what you have on that your bybit account there is USDT, because if it's BTC, Ethereum, or any other crypto, that means that's the crypto that you want to sell. So here in this box right here, we'll have to choose amount within the range. We have to, rearrange this ad to fall within the range I want to sell. So you could see that there's a whole lot of ineligible ad that I am not eligible right here, and some might have higher amount that is higher than what I want to sell. So I have to rearrange it. So I have to put, let's say, a close range. So let's put like about 150,000. All right, 150,000. Now the next thing I want to do is to further filter it down by clicking on this filter right here. So click on that filter and click on show only eligible ads. Okay, so now all the ineligible ads has been removed. Now you can see there are some mouth watering rate right here, but I'll advise you to avoid any orders below 1,500 or 1,000. You could see this person has a mouth watering rate right here, but he has less order. Good rating, yeah, the rating might be good, but less order. Look at this one, 141 orders, rating so poor down to 95%. It means that people have had a whole lot of bad experience. So I want to scroll all the way down. Now here we have someone that we can work with, 3,000 orders, 99% rating. Okay, that's the person we can work with. Click on sell, Oh, that person does not have the payment method that we want to use. You can see his payment method here is Azatoc Bank. All right, so now we'll have to keep scrolling, okay, till we find someone that has our payment method. Most of these people here are using Skrill. Okay, okay, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Okay, so we'll have someone right here. You can see the payment method is bank transfer, minimum 100k, maximum 1.5 million, and then has 2,000 orders and 95% rating. So we'll click on that. So clicking on that, let me click on all and then click on sell. So I'm selling all. So now the next thing is I want to check out the instruction right here. The person always some of them normally request for one to drop a phone number. So I'm going to just drop my phone number. So after dropping phone number, according to the instruction that the trader may have put there, so wait for about 30 minutes. But I like the ones that does fulfill their ad within 20 minutes, within 10 minutes, within 5 minutes, within even 2 minutes. I always give them good rating. So don't always forget to give them good rating so that others can see all these good and great vendors that are not here to play or to scam users but are here to do business. So let's wait for that. So while we are waiting for this person to fulfill the order, one thing you have to do again is to smash that like button and smash the subscribe button. Comment it, regardless of whatever you feel. Okay, comment what you feel genuinely. That's what I want. Or just if you don't have anything in mind to comment, just write good video, and that's all I need from you. So right now you can see that I received a couple of alerts right here that this person has paid. So one thing you have to do as a person is to log into your bank app to actually confirm if the money is there. You could make even try to transfer to some other bank just to confirm that the money is there and not reverse. So now the next thing you want to do is to click on release. All right, this person paid in about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to get my authenticator code and then input it right here. Okay, bybit. It works really fast. Boom. So I want to rate this person. I always try to, this person may not be fast, but I'll put the reliable option, good rates, and that's all for me. All right, so I always leave good rating for these vendors that does that release ads fast enough and they don't try to scam me or something, so that others can find them. So if this video was helpful, please give me a like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Send it to someone who might need it so you don't always send your USDT to vendors that will keep giving you horrendous rates.